What's up, guys? This is a very quick video on how I draw fibs, both what I call measured moves and extended moves. So what I look for is making fibs, drawing fibs from a low to a high, low to high, and then I look at the 50 to 61.8 lines. So 50% to 61.8% lines. So you can see from this low to this high, we retrace 50%, hold 61.8, and then we trade to the negative 23% level, and we get an immediate reaction. So this is called a measured move, where it holds 50% and trades to a negative 23%. So this fib is completed. So because we reacted and retraced from the negative 23%, I now draw from the low where we turned to that relative high. And I go from there. So low to high. You can see we retrace to the 50 to 61% level. Got it? So on this next set, we traded to the negative 23% and through. Ideally, I like to see it to go to the, might be hard to see, the negative 61.8%. But because we went to the negative 23 and through, the next fib pull is from high to high rather than low to high. We take an extended fib from high to high. And you can see we retrace to the 50%. We trade to the negative to the 61.8 and hold it. So this little pocket holds. And then you go from there. So at some point it'll exhaust, but this is a 1 minute time frame, so this can theoretically work on a daily, a weekly, a 15-minute, whatever. So we have traditional measured moves and then extended measured moves. So I like to, this didn't apply to the dots right here, but if the dots were all green, it would have just been another confluence. You can see it kind of going to the downside right here with red dots. We have, 50%, negative 23, 50%, negative 23, 50%, negative 23, and then this fails, obviously. But hope that helps. Reach out with any questions. Peace.